Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make honey cornbread with Jiffy mix. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/8, 5-ounce box of Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 large egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of your favorite honey to add that perfect touch of sweetness. This recipe is quick, easy, and delivers delicious results every time. Get ready to bake some amazing cornbread. Before mixing, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease an 8x8-inch baking pan. In a medium bowl, combine the Jiffy corn muffin mix, the large egg, 1/3 cup of milk, and the 2 tablespoons of honey. Stir these ingredients together until they are just moistened. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a tougher cornbread texture. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Now that your batter is ready, pour it evenly into the greased 8x8-inch baking pan. Place the pan into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until the top is beautifully golden brown. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the cornbread. It should come out clean when it's perfectly baked. Enjoy the wonderful aroma filling your kitchen. Once your honey cornbread is out of the oven, let it cool in the pan for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This allows it to set properly and makes for easier cutting. For an extra touch of sweetness, feel free to drizzle a bit more honey over each slice. It's perfect warm with butter, chili, or just by itself. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.